way down, changing lanes in the faster lane by itself. How about that? How about that? That's pretty wild.
Cracker Barrel!
Yeah! Look at that. Car drives itself there too, through the twisties. En route to GNCC with the beautiful Jame and the boys. Here, no joke, man. This is the check-in. GNCC over on Shay's Revenge. Been raining and foggy. It's going to be a muddy race. I have the mountain bike holder. Here's part of the course there. Yeah, we maybe want to throw some of the bikes on charge while we're eating breakfast. Getting warmed up and doing a little charging while we're waiting to figure out where we're going to go, set up. Hey, easy.
Push one. Are you ready for the wristband?
Yeah, I know.
Huh.
If he wants to stay.
Get back here, Shadow! Get back here, Shadow! Get back here, Shadow! Oh, yeah. Get back here, Shadow!
Careful.
Whoa! Hi, bye! Oh, holy crap! Holy crap! Yeah?
Good stuff.
Whoa.
Yes, I would. All right, we'll be back. Skyline's awesome. I know. Hold on. Yeah, that's not bad. No. Where's your booth? It's a race day, boys. Bad team, Bulls! Woo!
The officials may wipe your helmet first if it is muddy, but wait until he releases to you.
Good. Nice, huh?
Oh, so good. Woo!
And today's a beautiful day, too.
Yeah, nice
Man, all
conditions.
week nowadays, it seems like we're prepared with salt trees.
his legs.
Hey, look, the San Felipe's right here.
These XC1 guys not really having much of a problem through here, getting a little bit of help from the mud fleas. But
Got a little pre-ride here on eMTB.
As we roll into this eMTB GNCC roundup.
We got a winner!
We are still on the old. Lets these riders know it's time to roll in 10 seconds. Last eMTB GNCC at Snowshoe Mountain. And they're off, and those guys were at Ross taking the early lead. I thought that was going to be Charlie Mullins, but it wasn't going to be going to be our women's class, Ashley Henderson and Alicia
Go Tom! Go Tom!
Also Jeff Bolt, Mike Messenger, our youth, 12 to 17, Mitch Hawkins, Brock Bell. Ross taking the early lead. I thought that. Husband here with us, and Christian, welcome, buddy. Thank you. I'm Rodney. Nice to meet you. Pull that up a little bit closer. Where are you from?
I'm from Southern California, Corona specifically.
Oh wow! So here you are. Welcome, wild, wonderful West Virginia, man.
I'm loving it so far.
So yeah, obviously you're a mountain bike individual. Have you ever been in the mountains of West Virginia?
No, never. This is my first time even over to this part of the country, honestly. Furthest I've been before this was Ohio. So
Really. So what were you doing in Ohio? Yeah,
my family was out there. So.
Okay, great. Well, you're a fellow Buckeye. Nice to have you out here.
Yeah.
But all the way from California, what brings you here to Snowshoe Mountain today?
So I'm out here with Coles Bikes USA, Coles Bikes e-bikes. We're racing the GNCC e-bike race.
Awesome. So this is going to be your first round of that?
Yeah, first GNCC ever.
So tell me a little bit about it. What are you guys hearing about that over in California? Is this something that's starting to pick up a lot of attention, I guess?
Yeah, we've been hearing a good amount of talk about how big the series was, how they have a lot of races. So we just decided to come out and do it.
And I see that you're representing the folks from Bulls. Is that the bicycle you ride there?
Yeah, Bulls Bikes. That's what I represent.
And I see they got a display set up. They're doing demo rides here this weekend?
Yeah, we have 2 tents, and we're doing demo rides all weekend, free demo rides.
That's awesome. And now, how long has Bulls been into the e-bike market? Is that something new for them?
Fairly new for North America. We've been in North America for just about 5 years.
SoCal, buddy. Yeah, SoCal's where it's at. Going to second half. Yeah, missed the first.
breaking in with e-bikes, and we also have traditional bikes actually.
Well, tell me about yourself. Are you like a world champion like Nat Ross here is, or anything like that?
Well, I wish. That's definitely a goal sometime in the future, but I'm just a under 23 professional mountain biker, trying to make my name in the sport.
Oh, he's making it, Rodney. He's the future.
Have you heard of Charlie Mullins yet?
I have, yeah. He's been doing pretty good in the GNCC races. So.
Yep. Can you beat Charlie Mullins?
I guess we're going to see today.
Yeah, well, I love Charlie, but I want to see him have some competition, man.
Yeah, I hope I can give him some competition.
So far, ain't been nobody come out to be able to do it. Nat, maybe the first round or two.
Oh, barely. But actually, Christian got a race with him at Sea Otter, but he doesn't remember because the whole shot that Charlie got continued, and he brought a German teammate over, and they were both chasing Charlie all day. Chasing Charlie all day in California and Monterey.
So you know all about Charlie, no doubt about it. Well, Christian, you're going to be racing your first eMTB GNCC race. Glad to have you on board with us, and I hope that you enjoy the GNCC racing, and hopefully we can call you a member of the GNCC Racing Nation real soon, my friend.
Can't wait to be called a member.
All right. I think that sounds, when you got that kind of heart, Nat, it happens, right?
True, Rodney.
Nat's already become a member of interwoven fabric of the GNCC Racing Nation, and Nat, you're going to be racing today, I guess?
Yeah, I'm excited. This
First non-Charlie Mullins win of an eMTB GNCC, and I didn't want.
What made the difference for you out there? What'd you think of the track?
Track was super gnarly. I loved it actually. One of the best e-bike courses I've ever raced. I think keys to the win were keeping it smooth and keeping it clean.
Keeping it smooth, keeping it clean. I like it, man.
I'd like to thank Bulls Bikes USA. I'd like to thank Adam Solar Rides. Couldn't do it without him being out here. He's our local dealer out in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And the rest of our sponsors with Bulls Bikes.
There you go, guys. First place finisher, Christian Husband. Popping bottles here at the GNCC. Get yourself. Back at Adam Solar Rods after the races down at the Snowshoe GNCC race series with the winner of the race, Christian Husband. Congratulations, Christian. How was the track? How was the race? And how was your bike?
Oh, great. Super gnarly race, super muddy. The bike performed great. I didn't really have any mishaps at all, just a little bit of dirt in the drivetrain. But other than that, got me the win pretty much. So happy with that. That's the E-Core Di2 full suspension 27.5. Made by Bulls.
Great. Joaquin, can you tell us a little bit about the bike that put him in first place?
Yeah, this is the Bulls, like you said, E-Core Di2 FS, so it's one of our full suspensions, all mountain. Comes with 150 millimeters of travel front and rear. Comes with the E8, the Shimano E8000 steps. Full Di2 as well, with Gura brakes. You know, it's pretty much race ready right off the factory. So it's a great bicycle.
So this is totally stock as it comes that he won on.
Pretty much stock, but yeah, stock from
Water bottle cage, huh?
And that's it.
Great. Any other any insights about the race series or the event, or just motocross guys coming over to e-mountain bikes?
I think GNCC is an awesome event series with the e-bikes, the moto. It's definitely a cool vibe, cool event.
Cool. I agree too, man. I had a great time at the race. That's the most electric mountain bikes I've ever seen in one place at once. Everybody using them as pit bikes instead to get around, and then I think they had almost 50 racers at this race event. And yeah, we'll put some clips together for you guys to see Christian out on the track, and hopefully keep coming back for some more first place wins.
And don't forget to come check out Adam Solar Rides. Just where you'll pretty much get it.
Yeah, full selection of Bulls e-mountain bikes. Look forward to many more races with you.
That was see you soon.